Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So, it's been a while since I last toned my hair. I honestly don't even remember when the last time was. But this is what it looks like. This is one of the TikToks that I posted most recently. This is what it looks like dry. Now I've done about 5 or 6 different copper toners now, just to try to find the right tone that I like for me and my skin and whatever looks good. I use the shade 7cc, which is the bright copper blonde. This is my favorite. Now, I don't use any high developer. I always do zero lift because I don't need to lift my hair any further. I just deposit the color, so that's why I use this. A lot of people don't know that toners can benefit your hair in different ways than just depositing the color. Toner is also like a treatment, so it puts back moisture into your hair, and lately my hair's been feeling super dry. Another reason why it needs to be toned. Now my roots are looking a little crazy. I'm not gonna do those today. All right, so let me stop rambling on. I prepared my chair, I prepared the table, I prepared myself with the cape. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix the color. So basically this is everything that I'm gonna be using today. We got developer, we got the color, we got the bowl and the brush, the gloves, the brush that I'm gonna use to brush through, the whisk, shower cap, clips, cape, and scale. Now, like I mentioned before, the color that I'm going to be using is 7cc, and the ratio for the Chromasilk colors is 1 to 1.5. Okay, so now we mix it all up, and once it starts developing, it turns like purple. So what I like to do now before I start to apply the color is I like to split my hair directly in half, just because it makes it easier for me. Do one of these. Actually, I'm going to do a scrunchie on this side, just because it's more secure. And I'll start down here. So then I'll clip this out of the way. So I've got my gloves on, and I just wanted you guys to see how it starts to turn kind of... That was a close one. It starts to turn kind of purple. So, okay, let's go ahead and begin with this piece down here. And then we're gonna work it through. So then, after I'm done applying with the side, I'm just gonna saturate both ends again, and this is gonna sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'll rinse it out, style it, and then I'll be back to show you guys. Okay guys, so this is my hair after it's been quickly blow dried. I really like the color right now, but I think I'm gonna curl it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll keep on talking. So immediately I feel like you can tell that the health of my hair is back. It's shiny again. It's soft again. I wasn't able to put my fingers through it before I toned it. I really like the way the color came out. I'm super happy. I would love to know in the comments down below what you guys think of the color, and if you guys do copper as well, which one do you use? I'm thinking of doing more videos like curling tutorials maybe, or styling, or anything else that has to do with hair. As you guys know, I am a cosmetologist, so if you guys have any questions on treatments or anything like that, I'd be happy to answer. But yeah, this is the way it came out, and I'm loving it. Love it. All right, So thank you guys so much for watching if you stuck through with me for this long, and I'll see you guys on the next one.